We're a collective of 5 artists from across the media landscape united on a mission of body acceptance. Each episode, we'll invite a special guest to be our honorary 6th member and step out of our comfort zones to create missions that champion self-love in all shapes and sizes. I'm a singer, actor, model, dancer, and body-positive activist, and I'm the ringleader of this amazing group of plus-size super sheroes.
I'm the pinup girl of this collective. Burlesque is a big part of my life. It's a bold and empowering art form that celebrates all bodies. And that's kind of me in a nutshell.
I am a designer, stylist, and online boutique owner. If you're bold, beautiful, and unapologetic about who you are, I've got the outfit for you.
I'm definitely the baller of this squad. I balance basketball playing, coaching, and motherhood. Bodies can look great and be active at any size. Thick and fit never hurt nobody.
Working as a plus-size model means I'm an advocate for curvy confidence and feeling sexy in all different shapes and sizes. I believe beauty is found in diversity.
I think it might be time for Ivory's mission.
Why am I nervous already?
You know how we did the Herberts shoot? And you guys were all scared, but we got through it and life felt good after and the internet blew up. I want to take that a step further. I want us to do a life drawing class and we're the models.
So we're nude.
Yeah.
In front of a room full of strangers.
Yes.
Like, naked.
Yes, but not just a room full of strangers, artists. They look at us as lights and darks and shapes and shading and form. That's what they study.
I'm pretty sure I'm just ovals and circles.
But what if a couple of tiny additions, rather than being naked, are what actually make you feel empowered?
Like what?
Like a flower in your hair, or a pair of gloves, or a tiny pair of lace panties. The shape is still the same. You haven't impacted anything as far as the human form.
Fair, but those little pushes where we test our own limits and our own boundaries can actually create major change within ourselves and also the world around us. And that's what we're here to do, right?
I mean, this sounds all good, but Ivory, like, why are you always trying to get everybody naked? You guys remember, even though we got a lot of positive feedback from Herbert, but we also got a lot of negative backlash. You know, it's over-sexualized and that we're sending the wrong message.
So this is exactly why this matters, is that I'm not asking you guys to be sexy. A body can be naked without being sexualized.
Obviously, there's going to be pain with the process, but I think the better question is, who are we going to get to be our 6th?
When I thought of this, I knew that we were going to need somebody to lead us into this battle. So I went with the fabulous Scriver, or Amanda Scriver. She was one half of the Fat Girl Food Squad. She writes for Now Magazine, Huffington Post.
Wasn't she the one who was nude on the cover of Now Magazine?
Exactly.
That's a little more comforting.
Right? I thought so.
I'm really excited to see all of our bodies together as art.
We should do gallery show after.
That's a great idea.
Show the world.
So we're just gonna be naked. Gotcha.
So tomorrow we're doing the nude live drawing mission. And you would think that as a burlesque performer, that would be really comfortable for me. But bearing it all and allowing strangers to illustrate their interpretation of your body is like, that's an entirely different game.
I'm all for body positivity, but like, why we always gotta be naked? Ivory? Situational stuff is happening right now where, like, I don't think it's a good idea. Like, I'm gonna be real with y'all. A girl's menstruating. They're gonna have to make an exception. I'm wearing my drawers.
My name is Amanda. Some people call me Amma. I would consider myself a body image activist, and being a part of the shoot with them is sort of like we get to experience it together and bond through our skin.
Y'all playing, I did a lot.
Okay, so are you guys ready?
I'm gonna be honest with you, no.
Really? Why?
Come on, girl. We've talked about this. We've done this. But there was like only us and one photographer.
Right.
Well, a photographer we all trust very
And
much.
and love.
I'm ready.
I love you. This is why I was counting on you. A little too ready. Here's the thing, okay? She's a little too ready.
For me, getting naked in front of other people is not just a way for me to explore my body and the way I love myself, but it's a way of sharing and breaking down those societal norms and saying, this is the way bodies should look and should be, and you should love me no matter what.
Yup, I love that. But like, there's a little situation happening right now. You know, Mother Nature. Can we like be a little creative today?
I mean, that's fair. I mean, we want to talk about empowerment today. We're empowering ourselves, and I feel like she should be able to make the decision without any judgment.
Sure. Do what you want, man. I got no fight in me left. Okay, guys, let's get semi-naked. The shade. I did feel a little bit like if you don't, then like, you know, you suck and you're not here for the mission. And then like, I don't want to feel like that. So yeah, there was a little bit of peer pressure. We're family, right? Like there's going to be bickering, there's going to be parts where you're uncomfortable, but growth comes from that discomfort, right?
Hello, my name is Adrian Hales. Welcome to #Gallery. Today we will be drawing 6 succulent ladies. At this time, I'd like to introduce our models.
There's always that sort of barrier that you have to cross if you've never been naked with other people, to sort of see how other people view us, but through art. It's gonna be really awesome. And I think also to just get naked. I think that's also a super empowering thing to do.
I got naked. Everyone else is doing it, so why not?
Once we were in position and seated there for a while and saw the artists looking at us and that they were completely sort of focused on what they were doing, you could see the tension sort of melt away.
I'm kind of having a proud mom moment right now. I want people to take away that nudity doesn't always equal sex, and that literally every body is beautiful.
I've painted quite a few models, but never plus-size women, and never a group of them also. They don't tend to have a lot of models who are plus-size that are available for modeling.
The difference between like formal university drawing, it's very strict and nobody talks. So this was like really fun to have them sort of conversating amongst each other, even though it was quite difficult at sometimes with the moving.
I'm really, really excited about the reveal because we didn't get to peek at all. I'm glad I actually jumped in, did it, got it done, and I can't wait to see the finished product.
Oh my God!
What? Oh my, holy crap. Oh my God. These are amazing. They are. I'm over the moon. Every single artist had a different interpretation of us, had a different medium, had a different way of delivering it.
You did incredible work with color and like capturing everyone's bodies, even just the facial expressions on all of us is just so well done, and I just can't even deal with how amazing it is.
I love it.
None of this is, you know, dressed up or pushed into the constraints that we say that the female form should fit, and not a single one of these isn't beautiful, you know? That's really what we were going for. Mission complete! No, I'm obsessed with this. And talk about a stunning nude, right? Like, okay, this is all right. Your mission. I see you. This is good. A little fine art in your house. A little fine art in my house. Right? Okay. We're getting some culture. You're growing me